So, Coach, the last one for the regular season, and it's an important match because nothing still is decided for the playoff. We're going to see who we are going to play against. It's really important to win this one and then see what happens.
Yeah, that's right. We're certainly looking to put a good performance in. I think not only just from a result point of view, but just from a confidence point of view and building some momentum in our season so that we enter the playoffs, whoever we play, in a good space and really confident in our game.
It's the right moment to maybe experiment a little bit with the players or not. It's just let's keep up the pace.
Yeah, I think, as I said, momentum is really important this time of year and confidence in our game. So we want to build that a little bit of cohesion before the playoffs, but also that we need to understand that we want to introduce some things into our game that we may or may not need in a playoff game. So we're looking to do some stuff within our game plan and our tactical plan this week that hopefully we can use if we need to in the playoffs.
Are you already seeing something, having a look on the possible opponents for the playoffs?
Yeah, having a bit of a look. I'm not focus is solely on this week. Get through this week, and we've got a 2-week build up for whoever we play, so there's plenty of time for us to sort of prepare and come up with a plan, whoever that is. So focus is solely on this week at this stage.
Last one, mentally, how's the team going right now? Are they ready for this last ball for the regular season?
Yeah, I think maybe the players can smell the end of the year and the playoffs, and there's a lot of excitement that comes with that. So I've sensed a renewed sense of energy this week at training. Everyone's pretty excited about what's ahead. So it's a challenge for a team is to stay focused and make sure that we'll focus on Sunday first, and then we'll focus on the playoffs after that.